Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very random video which is about this purchase. So yesterday evening, roughly around 8 or 9 p.m, my boyfriend's phone completely gave up. Obviously for work, and you need a phone, right? Like GPay, your bank accounts, emails, everything is on your phone. So we were just trying to figure out how to buy a phone and from where to buy a phone. Because initially we wanted to buy a Samsung S23 Ultra, and currently it is not there in any stores, and a lot of vendors told us that the phone is not currently being sold or it's not in retail shops. And online there was a piece, but that was coming 6 to 7 days after you place the order, which was a really long time to go without a phone. And then by afternoon we were really tired, and we said, you know what, fine, let's just buy the Samsung S24 Ultra phone. We called a couple of places asking for the phone, and we found this place, Giveway sales, which was really nearby, and we said, okay, let's go and buy the phone from them. Okay, and we got the phone. So yeah, anyways, the phone is not here because the phone is with him, and I will show you the phone in just a bit. Now, what we did not know, and the reason why I am making this video, is we got all these other things absolutely free of cost. We have not paid anything for any of the items that I have in this bag, and I'll just show you, and I'll tell you also how you can get it. So we got this one Philips hair dryer. Yeah, it's a hair dryer which we got 0 rupees. It's a free gift. Then nextly we got this iron, although I don't think we need it, but yeah. But that's not all. We also got a charger, the portable charger. We got this free as well. This retails for 18,999, and it's from this company called Firebolt. And we got this watch also for free. In fact, he showed us 2 options, one in this white color belt and the other one was a blue color. But the blue was like, this kind of a color, he didn't like it, I didn't like it, so we just said let's go for the white one. And that is not all. We also got these earbuds. All these things we have basically gotten for free, just for buying a phone. And obviously we asked the guy, he was a really sweet guy, and we asked him, currently there is a sale going on in Giveway sales, wherein you either get discounts or you get free gifts. Now obviously depends on what product you are buying, what's the price of the product and everything. But yeah, they have tons and tons of offers. This is the Independence Day sale, so it's gonna go up to around 14th to 15th August. So yeah, I just thought I'll make this quick video in case you are planning to buy any electronic items. Go to Giveway sales, check them out. They have, like I said, tons of offers going on, whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox them on camera, so I was just waiting for that. Now this is a hair dryer, and he actually, that guy, the sales guy, he said that this hair dryer was for me. He was also really sweet. So just make sure, guys, when you go to these places and there are offers, just be nice to the staff there, and if you're nice, they just help you out so much more. So yeah, this is the hair dryer, and I think it's really cool, especially since I've gotten it for free. Yeah, so this is the hair dryer. This is the color. Looks very pretty. So yeah, these are the Air Liberty buds. Okay. Oh my god, guys, these look so pretty. Let me just show you all. This is how they have come, and yeah, it's really cute. Can you see? Yeah, I think now it's visible. Okay, then there is this iron. I'm not really going to open it, but I'll just show you when I will see myself, because I know I am not going to use it. Arhan is not going to use it. I know I am saying my name first. Actually, Arhan's not going to use it. I'm not going to use it. So we'll probably be giving it to someone who can actually use it, right? So yeah, I don't really want to remove this plastic, but yeah, this is the iron that they just gave it to us. Now we have these 2 things left. Let me quickly show you this, the power bank. Literally, you will not believe, before we left to go to Giveway sales today, I was just telling Arhan that, you know what, I need a power bank because the one I have is kind of not working that well. Need it a lot. This is so nice. The one that I have currently, anyways, compared to the one that I have currently, this is just so beautiful. And lastly, the, what is it? The watch. Smartwatch. Beautiful. Even this color is actually really nice. It's not a white color. It is a beige color. And this is the phone that we got. Obviously, you know, everything still has to be set up and stuff. I don't know. I'm not going to click anything. But yeah, this is the phone. And it is such a good phone, guys. Especially if you are an Android person, you are going to absolutely love this phone. But you get all these things, you know, like, it's really cool. It's really good, a little expensive, but it looks extremely nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was not like my normal, the normal kind of content that I put out, but I really think this might help you. And they have a lot of options. The one that I went to was this one in Thane on Ghodbandar Road. And if you do end up going to the sale, guys, let me know in the comments what you buy and what free gifts you get or what offers you get. And yeah, I'll see you really soon in my next video, mostly with some skincare or makeup related content, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.